HTML lists are great for calling your reader's attention to specific information. It has been a popular tool even when writing business and technical documents. Lists draw attention to important information. Readers like them because they are visually appealing and make it easy to quickly find pertinent information. In HTML you can use 3 types of lists. Ordered list. This list has items marked with numbers. It is defined using the OL tag and each item starts with the LI tag. Unordered list. Items in this list are marked with bullets. It is defined with the UL tag. Each list item is enclosed in the LI tag. Definition list. This list contains description of each item and is defined with the DL tag in conjunction with DT and DD to define list items and corresponding descriptions respectively. You can use different ordered and unordered list on your web page by applying the following type attributes. For example, if you want to specify bullet points in uppercase alphabets, append type equals A within the OL tag.